Avoid this common mistake to maximize your real estate investing success. Here are some of the biggest mistakes to watch out for. Hi there, welcome to Real Estate Investment Show with John Rich, your real estate investment coach, with the mission to educate investors about real estate, land title, and ROI. Today's video addresses real estate investing mistake to avoid. 1. Not doing your research. One of the biggest mistakes new real estate investors make is not doing enough research. Before you invest in a property, you need to understand the market, the property's potential value, and any potential risk or challenges. 2. Overestimating your budget. Real estate investing can be expensive, and it's important you have a realistic budget in place. Don't overestimate your budget or underestimate the cost involved in real estate investments. 3. Ignoring the location. Location is one of the most important factors to consider when investing in real estate. A property in a great location can be a lucrative investment, while a property in a bad location can be a money pit. 4. Not having an exit strategy. It is important you have a clear exit strategy in place before investing in a property. Whether you plan to sell, rent, or flip the property, you need to have a plan in place for how to make money and when you will exit the investment. 5. Underestimating the work involved. Real estate investing can be a lot of work, especially if you plan to manage the property yourself. Make sure you understand the time and effort involved in a real estate investment before you commit. 6. Overpaying for the property. It is easy to get caught up in a bidding war or to fall in love with a property. Overpaying can be a costly mistake. Make sure you have a realistic understanding of the property value and don't let emotion drive your decision making. 7. Not having plan for financing. Real estate investment require financing. It is important to have a plan in place for how you will finance your investment. Whether you plan to use your own money or take out a loan, make sure you understand your financing option and have a plan in place. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can increase your chances of success in real estate investing. Good luck and happy investing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your real estate investment coach, John Rich. Thank you.